podcast for the females that put a plate in the oven for their man and a plate in the microwave for the side nigga.
Damn, but sometimes
my plate is in the microwave. My plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
My plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
My plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes.
I'm
Zap that
side
shit.
nigga. It don't matter shit. I'm eating mine first. Your shit up in the oven while your ass at work.
Whoa.
Mine in the microwave. Hit that 130. I'm gon' be through that bitch about 7:30. I'm that nigga low side nigga of the year. I don't want no coke with my food. Give me a bill. I'm posted up at your crib like I'm paying rent. I been fucking your hoe and I don't pay 50 cents. My plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
My plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes. Zap that shit.
My plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
I said my plate is in the microwave because I am the side
Go play.
nigga.
Okay, she reheated. You know I'm about to eat it. Soon as I finish upstairs, bedroom, beat it. Beat it! No MJ, this CE. Catch me leaving out your house, might just see me. Skirt, leaving, sir. Damn. Your bitch is up here and I be fucking her in person.
Y'all heard my Migos ad-lib? I threw that in there. Woo! Yeah.
Hold up, one more time.
Get it up, get it up.
My plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
My plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes. Zap that shit.
I said my plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
I said my plate is in the microwave.
2
because
minutes.
I
Zap
am
that shit.
Go ahead.
Hey, we got chicken and mashed potatoes, green beans and potatoes, tomatoes. The type of nigga that I'ma eat it now. I'ma say some and eat a little bit later. Type of nigga that's gonna get some head. Head warm up my chicken leg. I'm the type of nigga that'll make a whole meal out of some leftovers, add some bread. Cause my name is Los and I don't give a fuck. And me and your girl, we just give a fuck.
Cut his mic off, it's
Give
too hot.
each other shit. We just doing us. We just doing us. My name is Los and I'ma say it again. I fucked the girl and I'ma fuck a friend. 2016, about to start at 17, it's about to end. I ain't give a fuck cause I'm fucking up and I'm pulling up in some other stuff. Hoes touching on my dick and stuff, but I be like, don't forget to rub on my nuts. I be like, hell no, cause I'm nasty. I had a white bitch named Ashley. That's like the 3rd time I said that in my rhyme, but I ain't lying, nigga, just ask me.
Damn, plate is in the microwave. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
My plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes. Zap that shit.
I said my plate is in the microwave.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Keep my plate up in the microwave because I am a side nigga. Hey.
God damn.